Hi guys, welcome to Mercy's Senior Kitchen. Today guys, I'm going to share a recipe with you where my mom teach me how to cook. So guys, old time these people used to make something in Jamaica called flour sauce. When they couldn't afford meat to give their children, they used to make this flour sauce guys, and they use turmeric and other seasoning inside of it, but it never have no meat. Today guys, I'm going to turn it around and make the flour sauce, and I'm going to put fish inside of it and see how it tastes. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix out the flour. Because guys, you have to mix it out and there is no lump can into it. So guys, I have to show the amount of water guys. About a cup of water. So guys, I'm going to mix until every lump come out of it. So guys, it's almost finished mix out. Have a little lump inside of it. So guys, what I have to use the wafer inside of it. So guys, here we go. So guys, you don't supposed to have any lump inside of it. And guys, we're also going to cook it up to be thin, not thick, to make the flour sauce. So okay guys. So guys, we're going to get in the turmeric into it. But guys, I remember my mom never grated the turmeric. She always scrape it. Guys, you know the turmeric gives a pretty color and you see it. Look at the color what you give it to it. Very pretty color. Guys, if you use a Jamaican and your mom or your grandmother show you how to make this recipe, can drop it down in the comment guys, make I know. But guys, my mom taught me how to make this recipe. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to slice up the rest and drop it into it. Guys, this old time recipe is really touching because it's really amazing how old time these people used to do some things guys. So guys, I'm going to get in the seasoning into it right here. I'm going to get in also, I will put in the description guys what I put inside of it, and I'm going to get in half teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to look very nice and I go to cook as yet. So guys, you see it? This is the way it look. So guys, it's time for me to go and put it on to cook. Stay tuned. So guys, the pot is on. It's time for me to get in my flour sauce. So guys, we're going to make it stir and cook for about 3 minutes. And then guys, we're going to come and check on it. And then guys, if you check on your flour sauce and it gets a little bit too thick, you can add a small amount of water into it. So guys, I'm going to check on it. So guys, so it look. So this is what they would have used guys for their meat to give to them children when they couldn't afford to buy meat. The flour sauce. And guys, look very nice. And also, guys, I'm going to taste it and see what it wants. But guys, remember I say to you, this is how my mom used to make it. But guys, I'm going to put fish into it and see how it will taste with fish. So it's time for me to put in the fish into it. And guys, I'm going to put a slice of butter. And I'm going to lay a piece of thyme. Make it stir and cook for about 10 minutes, guys. So guys, I'm going to check on it. It's supposed to be nice. If my mom was alive, I was sure, but my mom passed. I was sure how I put fish in it. From the way how she showed me to make it, I changed it around a little bit and put fish into it. Wow. This is so amazing. So amazing, guys. Flour sauce with fish underneath it, a steam. Oh my God. Next 5 minutes, guys, I will remove the flame from underneath it. So guys, it's time to check on it. Wow. Look at my flour sauce steamed fish, man. Guys, look at it. And guys, look on it. You see it don't have any lump. Wow. Guys, you can see the turmeric and all the spice that's inside of it. And guys, are going to taste it now and see it tastes. Oh my God, guys, need a little more salt. So guys, I'm going to put about a little pinch of salt more inside of it. Guys, this soup is supposed to be nice with white yam. You know we have white yam in Jamaica here, guys, and some shelly rice. So guys, I'm going to give it about 1 minute to make the salt soak out inside of it, and then I'm going to remove my flames. So guys, it's time for me to turn off my flames. Guys, very nice. Guys, I know we're going to enjoy it. So guys, enjoy it with me and try it. This recipe, guys, is an old time recipe, and I'm telling you guys, can you imagine, guys, they never give guys them just know that they never have meat. So guys, them do what they have to do to make them children eat.